Hey cyclists, ready to pimp your ride with gadgets that'll make you the envy of every bike path? In today's video, we're diving into 10 unbelievable bicycle accessories. From LED pedals that glow like disco wheels to smart helmets with built-in turn signals. Ever wondered how to ride safer, smarter, and seriously cooler? Stick around as we reveal must-have tech that'll change your cycling game forever. Number 1. LED Dynamo pedals. Why settle for boring black rims when your pedals can light up your path and your style? These LED pedals automatically glow red or white depending on pedal direction, boosting visibility and turning heads. Plus, you'll feel like a superhero on wheels.
Next, meet your onboard weatherman, the CYUS M2. It tracks temperature, humidity, and air quality, all while you're pedaling. Great for planning your ride or just sounding smart at brunch. Why, yes, I did notice the humidity spike at 8 a.m. Tired of struggling with manual pumps? The AS2 is a pocket-sized tire inflator with enough juice to fill 20 tires on one charge. It even has an LED light in case you're stranded after dark. Bonus, it comes in upgraded Pro versions too, for the overachievers out there. Want directions without the distraction? The BEELINE VELO 2 gives you simple, turn-by-turn navigation, like a compass but smarter. No apps, no chaos. Just ride. This one's part taillight, part bodyguard. The Fly 6 Pro records everything behind you in HD. So if anything sketchy happens on the road, you've got it on camera, because your GoPro isn't going to help when a car gets too close. Cable gears are out, wireless is in. X-Shifter replaces your mechanical shifting with a high-tech wireless setup. Precise, smooth, no more wrestling with sticky cables. Perfect for turning an old bike into a futuristic ride. Another smart helmet? You bet. The Aura Unit 1 lights you up like a lighthouse. Turn signals, brake lights, even auto light sensors. It's a bit heavier than usual helmets, but when safety looks this good, who cares? Organized cyclists. This one's for you. The tool roll straps right to your frame and keeps your gear tidy and dry. It's like a toolbox and a burrito had a baby, and we love it. Now this one's built for safety and fun. With Bluetooth speakers and voice controls, you can jam to your playlist or get weather updates while you ride. Just try not to start dancing on the bike, okay? Ever had your bike stolen? MAXTRACKER says not today. It's a bike lock, a GPS tracker, and a piercing alarm, all tucked inside a fake water bottle. Thieves won't even see it coming. Stylish and secure, the Italian-made TANDO is storage with flair. With a 28-liter capacity, fall protection, and reflective bands, it's more than a basket. It's a statement. Let's brighten up your pedals, shall we? The XSTARS pedal lights increase your visibility by 57%. Yep, we did the math. Plus, they've got built-in turn signals, because being seen is kinda important. Scared of your saddle or wheels getting swiped? HEXLOCK turns regular bolts into tamper-proof locks using your custom-coded key. Small, smart, solid peace of mind. This tail light is no joke. 85 lumens of retina-burning brightness. It even projects ground lane lights and uses a smart sensor to activate in low light. So basically, it's your personal light show on wheels. Forget clunky phone holders. PULLEY uses magnetic force so strong it could hold a watermelon. Seriously. One-hand use, no clamps, no stress. Rotate it however you want, easy peasy. Say goodbye to awkward over-the-shoulder peaks that almost make you swerve into traffic. The REARVIZ mirror armband is a clever solution for cyclists who want to keep an eye on what's coming from behind, without turning into a contortionist mid-ride. This adjustable armband has a sleek, convex mirror that straps comfortably to your forearm. Simply raise your arm and boom, you get a full view of what's creeping up on you. Perfect for urban rides, group trails, or those moments when you feel someone's following a little too close. It folds flat when you don't need it and pops up in seconds. Easy visibility without compromising your flow. Tiny but mighty, LUMOS FIREFLY lights are clip-on LEDs that can be placed almost anywhere on your bike helmet, or backpack. These things pack a surprising punch in visibility and customization. Each unit can be synced to flash together, creating a coordinated light show that not only looks slick, but ensures you're seen from every angle. You can even choose different flashing modes or match colors to your mood. Think of them as wearable safety bling, because who said staying safe can't look stylish? This isn't your childhood ding-ding. The SHOKA bell is more like a smart assistant for your handlebars. It offers 8 customizable ringtones, so you can switch from friendly chirp to full-on get out of my way in an instant. But it's not just a bell, it's also a navigation device, a theft alert, and even a headlight. When parked, it locks itself and sounds an alarm if someone tampers with it. Now that's multitasking. If Batman had a bike, he'd use this bell. Why carry 5 devices when you can use one? Smart Halo 2 combines turn-by-turn navigation, a fitness tracker, anti-theft alarm, and a personal assistant, all into a futuristic-looking disc that mounts on your handlebars. The screen only lights up when needed, so it doesn't drain your battery or your focus. Plus, it talks to your phone and responds to voice commands, letting you ride hands-free and distraction-free. It even welcomes you with a glowing halo. Now that's what we call a smart ride. Want to make your night rides look straight out of a sci-fi movie? REVOLIGHTS ECLIPSE Plus are rim-mounted LED lights that create glowing, circular light patterns as your wheels spin. Not only do they look awesome, they actually enhance your safety by showing your full width and direction to traffic. It's like giving your bike a lightsaber effect. Legal in many US states and totally head-turning, they're a must-have for visibility and style after dark. No batteries, no charging, just pure reflective brilliance. The FLECTR 360 stickers wrap around your wheel spokes and reflect light back at cars with incredible intensity. They're lightweight, weatherproof, and visible from every angle, even while you're riding. Great for commuters or anyone riding at dusk, these stickers turn your wheels into rolling safety signs, without making your bike look like a construction cone. Compact, cool, and incredibly handy, the CORKY mirror folds neatly into the end of your handlebar and pops out when you need a quick glance behind. Perfect for city riders navigating tight spaces and unpredictable drivers. It's got a 120-degree field of view and stays stable even on bumpy roads. When not in use, it disappears into the bar end like a hidden spy gadget. Smooth, subtle, and super useful. Ever had your bike stolen and wished you had a way to track it? Enter Bike Spike, a covert GPS tracker that tucks inside your bike frame and links directly to your phone. If someone moves your bike, you'll get an alert in seconds. You can track it in real time and even send the location to the police. It's like LoJack for your two-wheeler. Bonus, it also tracks your rides and performance, making it a dual-purpose tool. Sometimes being seen isn't enough. You want to be expected. The Blaze laser light projects a green bike symbol 20 feet in front of you, warning cars and pedestrians that you're coming, even around corners. This clever gadget is especially useful in urban traffic, where visibility isn't just about lights. It's about prediction. Combine it with your regular lights and you'll feel like you've got your own laser-powered road shield. What if we told you there's a helmet you don't wear on your head? The Headband is a collar that inflates like an airbag the moment it detects a crash, protecting your skull better than most traditional helmets. It uses advanced motion sensors to detect abnormal movement, inflating in 0.1 seconds. When not deployed, it sits comfortably around your neck. It's perfect for commuters who hate wearing helmets but still want top-tier protection. If you love retro aesthetics but crave modern precision, the Omada One is a dream come true. It looks like an old-school analog watch but hides serious GPS tech inside. It tracks speed, distance, elevation, and time, all while looking like something James Bond would rock on a ride. Great for riders who want clean visuals and zero screen overload. You can't always see what's coming, but this radar can. The Garmin Varia alerts you when cars are approaching from behind, giving you a heads up before you hear the engine. It pairs with your phone or Garmin display and gives a simple visual alert so you know how many vehicles are behind you and how fast they're closing in. For nervous or city riders, this tool offers real peace of mind. Sometimes it's the little things. This simple but smart Velcro strap system lets you carry tools, spare tubes, and more. Right on your frame, it keeps your essentials secure, accessible, and rattle-free. Plus, you can customize how and where you mount them. Less weight in your backpack, more balance on your bike. It's minimalism meets practicality. Air tags are great for tracking, but if thieves can see them, they'll ditch them. That's why stealth AirTag mounts are genius. Hidden inside your bottle cage or saddle, they let you secretly track your bike without tipping off the bad guys. Discreet, waterproof, and shockproof. This is the best $15 insurance policy you'll ever install on your bike. Flats are inevitable, but walking your bike home doesn't have to be. The DynaPlug Micro Pro is a compact tool that fits in your pocket and plugs tubeless tire punctures in seconds. No messy glue or CO2 cartridges, just pop it in and you're back on the trail. It's a tiny lifesaver every serious rider should carry. And there you have it, some of the smartest, slickest, and most futuristic bike gadgets on the market. So, which one of these would you actually use? Tell us in the comments below. We read them all, even the weird ones.